Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem Anthem of Doomed Youth by Wilfred Owen. So this poem was written in 1917. This poem is about the horrors and the brutality in the wars. This poem was written in hospital where Owen was getting treatment after serving in military during First World War. This poem is about poets' pain and anguish at the loss of young lives in the war. So this is the text of the poem. What passing bells for these who die as cattle? Only the monstrous anger of the guns, only the stuttering rifles' rapid rattle can patter out their hasty orisons. No mockeries now for them, no prayers nor bells, nor any voice of mourning save the choirs, the shrill, demented choirs of wailing shells, and vigils calling for them from sad shires. So when the poem opens, the speaker compares the soldiers with the farm animals because they also grow up to be slaughtered like animals while fighting in the wars. So now poet says that what kind of church bell will ring for these soldiers who die premature deaths, and these soldiers only hear the sounds of the gunshots and the rifles. The only prayer they listen are the quick and fast sounds of the rifles. And then poet says that no proper rituals are followed for these soldiers who die while fighting in the wars, and no church bells ring for them, no prayers are said, no voice will mourn their deaths except the group of other soldiers who will fire through their weapons to honor them. And then poet says that what will happen after the death of these soldiers, that their deaths will be announced in their villages and hometowns. Come to the next lines. What candles may be had to speed them all, not in the hands of boys but in their eyes shall shine the holy glimmers of goodbyes. The pallor of girls' brows shall be their pall, their flowers the tenderness of patient minds, and each slow dusk a drawing down of nights. So now poet says that what candles can be lit to honor them, to make their souls reach to heaven after death. And poet says that the fading light of life will be seen in the eyes of the dead soldiers saying goodbye to this world rather than the young boys carrying candles to honor them. So then poet says that these soldiers will be remembered by their wives and the sisters and other close relatives, and they will be honored not with the flowers but with the peace in the world. And he says that the day ends when people close their windows in evening and forget the harsh reality of war. So he means to say that people have become ignorant and insensitive to the sufferings of the soldiers fighting and dying premature deaths in the wars. And here the poem ends.